Hello, my name is Ostap. This video was made for assignment 6. I would like to start with stack.h. So here we have the class stack with the private members of stack size, capacity. Also we have an array of type t and the function resize. For the public we have our constructor with a default parameter. We have a destructor, and this one is it's a constructor that's used for copying. Then we have operator overloading. We have a Boolean function empty, and we have top push and pop functions. For the stack.hpp, so we have the constructor that initialize stack size, array capacity, and creates a dynamically allocated array with the capacity of parameter that was passed. Then for the destructor, we basically just deallocate the array. For this constructor, what we are doing is we are creating a new stack and copying all the data from the old one. So here we are creating size, capacity, and dynamically allocate the new array. And in this loop, we are just copying all the elements. For the operator overloading, why we are doing it is to just be able to write equal, like stack equal another stack, and then we'll just basically do this. So first we are checking if the new, if we don't have like two equal stacks that we are trying to assign. So if it is a case, we're just going to delete it. Then here we are creating the stack size and capacity, also a dynamically allocated array, a new one, and then just copy it over and return it. For the resize, what we do is basically multiply capacity by 2, so that creates a new array, and then we copy all the data from the old array to the new array and delete the old one and set it to the new. For the empty, it just basically returns 0 if the stack is empty and 1 if it's not. For the top, it just returns the top element, or basically like stack size minus 1, but it's not changing the actual stack. For the push, what we are doing is we are checking if our stack is able to hold one more element, and if it actually can, then we just push it on back. Then for a pop function, we return the element, like the back element, and we decrease the stack size. For the evaluate reverse Polish notation.h, we basically just have one function. And for the definition of it, so right here we need a string stream for us to read one token at a time. So it'd be like one number or one operator. Then I initialize the stack. And here basically how it works, so we are reading in a value. If it is an operator, we're gonna pop two values, and if my token is plus, we're just gonna add those two values. If it's negation, we're just gonna subtract it. But if it's not an operator, we are just gonna push it, and we just return the stack, like the last number we get, because we should be left with only one number. And let's actually run it. So we do make clean, then I just do make, and let's run stack reverse Polish notation, and that's my output. Thank you for attention.